Let's recap yung Game 5 ng PBA 49 season Philippine Cup Semifinals. Ako po si Ruben Terrado and ito, gagaling lang natin sa Smart Araneta Coliseum para i-cover yung dalawang semifinal games. At yung second game that featured San Miguel against Barangay Ginebra, nanalo nga itong San Miguel sa score na 103-92 at dahil dyan ay lamang na ang San Miguel 3 games to 2 no after game number 5, and this is the first time in this series na merong team na nag two straight wins no sa semifinals, so a landmark achievement at least for now, at least for at the moment for San Miguel to take the lead in the semifinals for the first time dito sa kanilang serye against Barangay Ginebra, na nakauna nga noong game 1 and then palitan sila, and again in game 5 first time na may back-to-back winners dito sa seryeng ito. And a key stat here sa game 5 is yung papaano nakalayo itong San Miguel over Barangay Ginebra in the second quarter, outscoring them 37-24, at doon na nagsimula yung paglayo ng San Miguel sa larong ito. CJ Perez also came up big in the fourth quarter para maiselyo ang panalo para sa San Miguel. 12 points in the fourth quarter. He finishes with 31 sa larong ito. So medyo in a way offensive oriented din itong larong ito dahil ang daming gumawa sa opensa para sa San Miguel, at isa na rin dito yung nasa litrato natin, si Jericho Cruz, na may 27 points, 11 in the second quarter, 12 in the third quarter. So 23 points in between or in those quarters no, ito si Jericho Cruz na nagtala ng kanyang third career best in scoring. At yun ngang 11 points na yan in the second quarter tumulong sa San Miguel para nga makalayo sa Ginebra after actually having a slow start no. They only scored 12 points in the first quarter, at nakabawi sila immediately in the second quarter with this huge lead no, with this huge run in the second quarter para nga makuha ang panalo. On the other side, Ahan Misi had 19 points to lead the way for Barangay Ginebra. Scotty Thompson, in a way, nakabawi after having 0 rebounds in game 4. He had 14 points and 9 rebounds pero wala siyang assist sa game na ito. And also a key stat dito sa larong ito is how Hinebra struggled from the field, only 37%. Nabanggit nga yan ni Coach Tim Con after the game sa interview with sa aming mga reporters. Hindi pa sila talaga nakaka-shoot ng maganda-ganda dito sa serye, and game 5 was no different, only 37% comparing that to 51 para dito sa San Miguel Beermen. Another worthy na i-mention yung foul troubles ni Japet Aguilar. He had 5 fouls at nagka-problema tuloy ang Ginebra pagdating sa front line. At yun na nga, isa rin yun sa mga reasons na na-mention ni Coach Tim Cone kung bakit natalo itong kanyang koponan. And on the other side as well, yung Hinebra actually got more rebounds, 51-40, pero dahil rin siguro yan dun sa struggles nila sa field goal shooting. So actually si Troy Rosario, if I'm not mistaken, had 11 offensive rebounds. Pero yun nga, nag-struggle sila in putting that ball into the basket, no. So game 6, definitely San Miguel is hoping na matapos na nila yung seryeng ito sa game 6 on Sunday at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. In the other game 5, ngayong araw na ito, rain or shine, buhay pa ang rain or shine. They defeat TNT 113-97, and for the first time, nanalo ang rain or shine ng dalawang beses over TNT sa kanilang semifinals this season. Kasi natatandaan natin, in the Governor's Cup and the Commissioner's Cup, both 4-1 yung win-loss record ng TNT over Rain or Shine. And this time around, nakadalawa na finally ang Rain or Shine, but again TNT lamang pa rin sa serye, 3 games to 2. But sabi nga ni Coach Sheng Giao in our post-game interview na nasa YouTube channel din natin, ay kahit pa paano, no, it's an improvement and they are getting closer to, this is the closest that they actually have, they actually got, no, dito sa na makuha yung kanilang na makakuha ng finals spot. So hopefully, no, definitely for Rain or Shine, they're hoping na ma-take advantage nila itong sitwasyon na to na nakakuha sila ng second win. And yun nga, no, may mga injuries na itong TNT, no. So story rin ng game na ito is yung presence ni Gian Mamuyak, no. 20 of his 22 points in the first half tumulong para makuha ng Rain or Shine ang panalo. Another story in this game is yung absence ng key personalities, no. I say personalities because hindi lang players. Meron ding isang head coach, no, na wala para sa TNT, and that was Coach Cho Reyes, who was given an automatic 1 game suspension dahil nagkaroon siya ng fifth technical foul nung game 4. So according to PBA rules, matik yan na 1 game suspension para sa isang player and even a coach. Pag nakalima kang technical foul, automatic 1 game suspension yan. Also out for TNT was RR Pugoy due to an hamstring injury. This is his 4th game out dito sa playoffs. And then Kelly Williams, wala rin dahil sa ankle sprain. But medyo may konting good news dahil minention ni RR Pugoy in our interview after the game na parang on his road to recovery na siya, no, nag-heal na yung kanyang hamstring injury. And kung mabigyan na siya ng go signal na makapaglaro, ay maglalaro siya sa game 6. So actually, for me, yun yung major storyline ng game 5, no, yung absence ng tatlong ito. And Coach Josh Reyes took over for this game, no, para sa TNT. But syempre, yung Rain or Shine able to take advantage and kahit pa paano naibaba nila yung kanilang deficit against TNT. Ito rin, no, isang worth mentioning, no, yung struggles ni Brandon Ganuelas Rosser and Jordan Heading, no. Only 7 points combined after scoring 45 in game 4. So napakalaking discrepancy yan. Isa sa mga rason kung bakit natalo rin itong TNT sa larong ito. So again, game number 6 will be played on Sunday at the Smart Araneta Coliseum, and ang question na ngayon, can San Miguel and TNT arrange a finals showdown in game 6? We will see, and yung game 6 na yan will be held at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Okay, dyan na po nagtatapos yung ating recap ng game number 6 dito sa ating YouTube channel. Again, I'm Ruben Terrado of Spin.ph. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and read our stories at Spin.ph. Kayo po, ano pong comment ninyo? Tingin nyo ba tatapusin na ng San Miguel ang serye? Will Ginebra show their NSD spirit, their NSD mentality sa Game 6? Can TNT overcome yung mga injuries in Game 6? And or will Rain or Shine force a Game 7? Yun ang mga tanong na masasagot na sasagutin sa Game 6 on Sunday at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Thank you for watching our recap of game number 5 of the PBA PBA Philippine Cup Semifinals. Hanggang sa muli.